Hi, in this video we will learn about Vastu related information which is quite confusing while preparing a residential home plan as per Indian Vastu Shastra. We have to face a lot of trouble while making a plan in AutoCAD software or in drawing sheet about where to place entrance gate, soak pit, septic tank, bore well, cellar, slope of building, kitchen, bedroom, staircase, toilets, etc. as per Vastu. I hope you will learn more from this topic. So, without wasting any time, let's start the topic. First of all, let's see the direction table of Vastu, which is having north, south, east and west direction. So, while preparing a plan, the facing direction of the plot has to be understood. While taking a survey of a plot, you can take a help of a compass, as compass needle always shows north direction to the earth's surface. With reference to the north direction, anyone can indicate other directions easily. So here we are facing towards north by standing at the central portion of the plot. So our right hand will indicate always east, left hand will indicate west and bottom direction will indicate south. Similarly, all four quadrants have to be divided and get northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. So this is the basic concept for direction fixing in a vacant plot or a land. Alright, now considering this direction table with a square vacant plot of a residential building or home, the first important concept we have to understand about slope providing. So as per the Vastu concept, we should provide slope ascending from southwest and descending towards northeast, or secondly southwest to southeast, or lastly southwest to northwest direction. By this condition, we can say that the plot has to be labeled in such a way so that southwest portion should lie on the higher level of the ground. Now, the best location for providing entrance or entry gates or main door for the home, we must go to the north direction first. Northeast or east facing entrance is also suitable, and this is suitable as per the Vastu Shastra for Indian habitual. Now coming to the septic tank or soak pit construction works, we must go to the northwest direction first. Then we can go to the in between northwest to west direction as per Vastu Gyan. But remember, don't provide septic tank or soak pit in the northeast direction as this is harmful as per Vastu. So try to avoid septic tank or soak pit construction at northeast direction. So while planning for the underground reservoir or borewell for drinking water provision, the best location as per Vastu preferable is northeast direction of the plot. By the way, you can also provide underground water reservoir in north direction as well as east direction also if you don't have accessibility to northeast. But remember, the underground reservoir or borewell should not be constructed at southwest direction as it can be harmful as per Vastu. So dear engineers, that's it for today, but this is not the end for Vastu Gyan tips. It will be continued in the next upcoming video with more unknown Vastu facts. So be ready for the next upcoming video. Stay tuned, and if you think that something you have learned from this video, then please subscribe and share with your friends. And of course, don't forget to text your suggestion in comment box. Thank you all. Catch you in the next video.